Want to write more professional and effective corporate emails? Here are 20 essential phrases divided into 5 categories to elevate your communication. These are ready-to-use professional sentences for all your office emails. Let's start with how to open your email. The first impression matters. Use these phrases to start your email professionally and courteously. Phrase number 1. I hope this email finds you well. A classic, polite way to open communication. Phrase number 2. Thank you for your email. Is great for responding promptly, showing appreciation for the recipient's message. Also use, I hope you are doing well. Phrase number 4. I am writing to inform you that, and I would like to bring to your attention that. Clearly state the purpose of your email right away. Follow-ups are crucial. Use these phrases to check in without sounding demanding. Phrase number 6. Just following up on my previous email. Simple, direct, and effective. For a quick reminder. Phrase number 7. This is a gentle reminder regarding. And phrase number 8. Could you please share an update on this? Are professional ways to prompt a response or status update. Phrase number 9. Kindly let me know the current status. And phrase number 10. Please provide an update when possible. These convey urgency while maintaining respect. When distributing documents or details, be clear about what you're providing and what action is required. Phrase number 11. Please find the attached document. This is the standard phrase for drawing attention to an attachment. Phrase number 12. Please find the details below. Use this for inline information. And phrase 13. For your reference, I have attached the file, offers context for supporting documents. Phrase number 14. Kindly review the information shared. And phrase number 15. Please let me know if you need additional information. These politely request review and open the door for further inquiries. When communicating deadlines or progress, these phrases help manage expectations effectively. Phrase number 16. We will share the update by EOD. This sets a clear expectation for when the recipient can expect an update. EOD stands for end of day. Phrase number 17. The request is currently in progress. This is a concise way to indicate that work is underway and acknowledge the recipient's request. Phrase number 18. We are working on the request and will update you shortly. This reassures the recipient that their need is being addressed promptly. End your email with a clear call to action or a polite statement that encourages further interaction. Phrase number 19. Please let me know if any clarification is required. This is a helpful, professional closing that invites questions. Phrase number 20. Looking forward to your response. This is a friendly and professional way to indicate you expect a reply. Master these 20 corporate email essentials and watch your professional communication skills soar. Thanks for watching.